The safest thing, sell it, get your money, and then buy whatever you want. In terms of gold, silver, currency, replacing gold with gold or silver with silver or currency with currency, this is considered what we say sarf. And this has special rulings. You pay the gold, you take gold, and it has to be the same weight, regardless of the value or regardless of the make. The gold should be the same. 5 grams of old gold for 3 grams of new gold, this is haram. And this is what we call riba al-fadl. So it should be equal amount. Okay, let's say for example, you gave him the gold now, طيب, and you said you'll come tomorrow to take his offer, the gold which is the same weight. This is also haram. This is also haram. The same thing we say with silver. Now in currency, when we talk about currencies, each currency, dollars for dirhams or dollars for pounds or dirhams for yen, it can be different values, for example, whatever value, but it has to be instantaneous, okay? You cannot delay it. It cannot be delayed. It has to be now. If you want to replace an old model watch for a newer one, the safest thing, sell it, get your money, and then buy whatever you want. The same thing with gold. Some people say, I want to replace my old gold with new models. What should I do? Can I just exchange with them? Sister, the best thing to do is to sell your gold, take the money, and then, subhanAllah, buy whatever you want. This is the safest thing, definitely.